In this video, I will show you how to get the free Moonwisp accessory in Roblox. To earn this free item, you need to play Roblox for at least 5 minutes on 3 separate days during the event period. You do not have to play the same game each day. You can join any Roblox experience you like as long as you stay in-game for at least 5 minutes. Some eligible users may receive a notification about the reward in Roblox, but don't worry if you don't see one. The notification isn't always shown to everyone and you can still complete the event requirements. Once you've played for at least 5 minutes on 3 different days before the event ends, Roblox should automatically add the Moonwisp accessory to your account if you're eligible. If you don't receive the item immediately after completing the requirement, wait a little while as rewards can sometimes take time to appear in your inventory. And that's how to get free Moonwisp in Roblox. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.